Well, hello! Welcome to Uni One Education. My name's Chris. I'm happy. Right, are you ready to learn? Let's go! Right, hello there. Right, today we're going to be learning about farm animals. Now, what is it? It's a pig. P-I-G. Pig. And a pig says, oink. Pig. Good job. Oh, look. Now, what is it? It's a horse. A horse. We got H O R or S E horse. Horse. Nee. Good job. Great job. Now look. What is it? It's a cow. You got C ow. Cow. Moo. Cow. Good job. Wonderful. Oh, what are they? Well, there's one rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. But many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 rabbits. 7 rabbits. Good job. Right, well, hello there. We're back on the farm. What is that animal called? That is a chicken. A chicken. Chicken. A chicken. Oh, we got 1 chicken, but 2 chickens, 3 chickens, 4 chickens, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chickens. 9 chickens. Good job. Well, welcome back to the farm. Now, oh, look at that. That is a sheep. Sheep. So we've got S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. A sheep. Meh. And a sheep says, meh. But we've got 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6 sheep, 7 sheep. Meh. Good work. Excellent. Oh, hello. Well, we're back on the farm. Now, oh, what is that animal? That is a dog. D-O-O-O G. Dog. Dog. Now, how many dogs can you see? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dogs. Woo, woo, woo. 5 dogs. Woo, woo, woo. Yes. Good job. Now, you might have one of these at home. Oh, it's a cat. A cat. Look, C, K, 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 A, T, 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 T. Cat. Cat. Woo. Oh no! How many cats can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cats. 8 cats. And a cat says, meow. Now, oh, what is that animal there? That is a duck. Let's have a look. D says d, d, d. U, C and K, 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 k. a duck. We've got one duck. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ducks. 8 ducks. Good job. Thank you. Right, you have all done absolutely brilliantly. Good work. I'll see you next lesson. Goodbye.